The Wärtsilä RT Flex 96C, or RTA 96C, is the world's largest and most powerful diesel engine, built for massive container ships. This two-stroke turbocharged engine can have 6 to 14 cylinders, with each cylinder measuring 96 centimeters in diameter and 2.5 meters in stroke length. Standing 13.5 meters tall and 26.5 meters long, it weighs over 2,300 tons and delivers up to 107,390 horsepower. Despite its size, it's fuel-efficient and uses advanced electronic controls to optimize performance and reduce emissions, making it a remarkable feat of engineering designed to move thousands of tons of cargo across oceans.